So if the eyeball doesn't see, what sees? The mind. You say you want to see God. Yes? But I say you can't see with the eyeball. So then if you're intelligent, you'll say, well, how can I see? Then what will I say? You'll see in the mind. Therefore, if you're chanting Hare Krishna mantra for 2 days, you're experiencing and seeing God in your mind. First of all, the mind is a seer. Visporti. They come when the heart is contacted, Vishuddha Sattva. These are mental experiences of God. You really see God, and you see Lila. It seems so real, you can reach out and touch it. And you can smell it. And you can taste it. And you can see it and hear it, just like your dreams. It was not a dream. A dream is kalpana. Kalpana comes to the imaginative kanishta. I dreamed of God. I dreamed of Radha. I dreamed of Krishna. This is the imaginative neophyte. This is not sporty. This is kalpana. There's a big difference. It's fabricated in your mind. It's an image. You're good at you have good imaginative powers. You looked at coloring books for 10 days and you dreamed of Krishna. This is the dream. It's swapna. It's kalpana. It's not sporty. It's not real. Sporty is real because bhava is transcendental. Bhava is transcendental. Krishna is transcendental. You see transcendence when you have transcendental apparatus. Transcendental apparatus is a spiritualized mind. Spiritualized mind happens when it contacts Vishuddha Sattva. Vishuddha Sattva is pure bhakti. Pure bhakti is ladini and samvit. You can't see the embodiment of love without the contact of ladini. And you can't see the embodiment of the complete truth without the contact of samvit. Samvit. What does samvit mean? Complete truth. God is the absolute complete truth. So seeing God is in the mind. Visporti. Then, because I'm only discussing this verse, the entire discussion is on this verse. I have not come off the point for one moment. So now, Tyajat Sakshat Krishna Agata. Bhishma is not having sporti or visporti at this moment, lying on the Vedavaras in the fulfillment of his Icha Mritu. He's having Sakshat Krishna Darshan. Because he is at the level of prema. So at the level of prema, Krishna enters the senses. He enters the mind. You see Krishna in the mind, in sporti visporti bhava bhakti. Then Krishna spiritualizes even the physical apparatus of seeing. With the material eyeball becomes spiritualized. And then the Premi Bhakta can see Sakshat, face-to-face Krishna. He can touch Krishna, he can embrace Krishna, kiss Krishna, and experience it. This is the experience. This is the experience of Bhishma at the time of death. This is seeing Krishna. There's so many levels of seeing Krishna.